Well, I've been out here doing all the cutting, and look, I have been majorly injured. Call the ambulance, holy crap. Ammo! Say hello, say. I ran away and didn't come back for an hour this morning, and now my mommy's got me on a chain. He's on the chain gang, 'cause he was bad and didn't come back for an hour. I thought he might have been eaten by a coyote. Don't look so sad, Ammo. Don't look so sad. Okay, people. Like, holy crap. It's a pretty good day today, though. Like, pretty good day. Holly and Ammo, over and out.